Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Pearl Bath Bombs. This is all the stuff I bought, I think on Black Friday. They had like a $10 bath bomb deal, I think. Oh my gosh, this is huge. This is the Grinchmas Ring Bath Bomb. It's supposed to smell like sugar cookies. Pretty big. Yeah, that smells good. I'll be doing a demo on that one. So I looked ahead to see what I was getting in my December subscription box, and then I ordered some of the Christmas stuff and some of the new stuff that you guys wanted me to try, that I wanted to try. So why not get it for super cheap? So here's the, is it called Let It Go? I can't remember what they called this. There's no label on it, but there's a necklace in here. So that's really cute. That one obviously is a lot smaller than that Grinch one. That Grinch one is huge. And I love, I'm just going to throw this aside, clean it up later. I love Dr. Seuss and the Grinch and stuff, so excited for that one. And then I got the other one that matched this, the little, what was it, a diamond? So I thought I would get this one too. And the other one I got, it was only dipped on one side, and I wasn't sure if it was supposed to be like that, but yeah, seeing this one, it's just supposed to be. That one's just like dipped in a shimmery one. Something in here smells like peppermint. I could smell it. And the rest of them are in boxes. This one is unicorn. I don't think I ever did a reveal on this one. So I bought some, or maybe I did. Oh man, that one smells good. I want to eat that. I think I might have bought some duplicates so I can do bath art. I don't even really remember. I've reviewed most of their products, but they have been putting out a couple new things lately, so I know I got those. Oh, yes. Okay, so I never tried this one. This has been out for a while. Crystal Ball. So this one turns different colors and it tells you what it means, so I thought that would be cool to do a reveal for. So it's all white with just some purple mica / glitter on it, so that'll be cool to see what color it changes. Scented Treasures was the first one to do something like that, and I thought that was really neat. So I like that they called it Crystal Ball. That's pretty cool. Sugar Plum Fairy. I think that was new this year too. And that's what that looks like. Is this the one that's they have like a Mommy and Me set, I think. One comes with like a little girl's ring, and then one has like a matching thing for the mom, something like that. So yeah, just wanted to show you what I got. It'll be a while before the reveals get posted on some of these, just because I have so much other stuff to post. But yeah, just wanted to let you know what was coming. I know some of these products were requested, so they are in queue and they will be posted as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.